Hello, everybody, and welcome to your fishing vacation. I mean, everyone wants to go on a fishing vacation once in a while. Fishing is such a relaxing event. You get to see the ocean or the river, whatever you're fishing at. You get to sit around and relax, maybe see an eldritch deity. It's all normal stuff and great. Jokes aside, I found this game on Steam, and honestly, I'm surprised I've never heard of it. It's like a Game Boy style game where you're meant to be fishing, and needless to say, it doesn't keep its nice and friendly tone the entire time. The thing is, I don't know how it changes, or if it changes at all. I'm also probably going to be playing the game wrong, because I'm going to use a keyboard. Yes. Fishing vacation. Oh. Oh! Oh, that's awesome. I can cycle through, like, colors. Oh, that's awesome. What does the other cycle button do? Oh, I love that. That's awesome. I love this game already. Alright, let's just do new game. Nice little drop sound. I recently retrieved a letter from a dear old friend. That's a fish on a stick. And the letter was an invitation to a fishing trip. It'll be just like old times, my friend wrote. A wave of nostalgia washes over me as I reminisce. It's been well over 10 years since I'd last been there. As children, we'd visit their uncle's cabin by the lake. The lake always had the largest trout you'd ever seen. I slowly regained my composure and made up my mind. This actually reminds me a lot of a Game Boy game. Like, I actually own a lot of Game Boy games that open kind of like this. This is cool. I immediately wrote back, accepting my friend's offer. Not knowing it would be my biggest mistake. I should have never went on that damned... This is... I love this already. Dancing along to the car music, da 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 da. So then he says, if you go, you're as good as fired. Anyway, long story short, gonna need to find a new job. But hey, we need a break every now and then, right? Either way, I'm glad you could make it, buddy. In all honesty, I forgot all about the good old days. But when I got mailed the cabin key from my uncle, all of those memories hit me like a trout over the head. How has your uncle been, by the way? You know, I'm not too sure. That letter he sent me was the only contact we've had with him for years. Last I saw, he was going through the divorce. Oh, God. Must have been tough, especially for my little cousin. My uncle seemed pretty happy about it, though. We're finally here. Hey, it's an old place. It doesn't look that bad. A bit more run down than I remember. Is my uncle even here? Well, only one way to find out. Last one in is a rotten flounder. Can I leave? Is that an option? I have the same reaction for every horror game. Can I just leave straight away? Alright, fine. It's always the same reaction whenever you play these kind of games. Can I just leave for no apparent reason? There's no one here. Oh well, more cabin for us. This place hasn't had any visitors in a while. That's a red flag right there. It looks like we still got a little daylight left. You're way too okay with this. Time for a little fishing. I'll be outside. Grab those fishing poles and meet me out back. Yeah, you're way too okay with this. Like, no one actively... What was that? A table set for 3. The plates are all pretty grimy. Okay. The inside of the oven is scorched all over. Okay. Fridge is packed with tons of fish heads. Okay. We're leaving. Don't come looking for us. That's a good sign. It's a photo of a fish. Read Inuit mythos? Sure. There are many gods within the Inuit beliefs. Sorry, what? What? One such god is the goddess Sedna, goddess of the sea. Hers is a tragic tale with many different versions, either good or bad depending on the tale. Each version features the same conclusion. Can I... Oh, I'll read some more tomorrow. What? I didn't like that sound. Well, why can I only read the book? What do I get? With 3 padlocks. Oh, yay! Because that's the thing I want to... At some point, if you ever live in a... No time to sleep, it's time to fish. If you live in a place that has 3 locks on a door, that's a concerning thing for me. Like, why the hell are there 3 of them needed? Instead of just 1? Play this... Oh. Let's stop that playing. All about fishing. Alright. I don't know if any... Oh. I was wondering what the color change was. No, I hit the cycle button. That's what that was. Oh, I could be like... Yeah, okay, fixed it. There we go. I need to grab the pole. Where's the pole? Like, you didn't... Oh, is this it? That's 1 fishing pole. Just need 1 more. Okay, that's it. There we go. Now makes 2... That makes 2. Now let's fish. Okay. Time to fish. Don't worry about worms. Tonight's bait is on me. But you're getting your own bait tomorrow. Huh? What? Oh, I have 3 worms. What's over here? Like, I know there's an arrow, but... You got minnows in your ears? You're obsessed, dude. No one makes this many fish jokes. Like, only a serial killer would. The only thing that would make Patrick Bateman more psychotic would be if he made fish jokes. Ah, just like I remember it. A bit more green, though. Okay. Breathe it in, buddy. Now that's some fresh air. Or pollution. Depends how you look at it. Now let's christen the start of an awesome vacation. Looks like there's something right in front of us. Go ahead and reel in a big one, my friend. Oh. Did I get it? Damn it. Oh. I got a thing. Left shoe. 6 inches. Well, it's not the most edible fish. But at least we're doing our part in cleaning the lake. Plus, if you find the other one, you got a new pair of shoes. I'm not wearing those. Hell no. Those things are probably, like, got mold in them. Let's get back to fishing while we can. Do I just get 3 catches? That's it? Really? Oh, there's another thing here. Please. Ugh. Damn it! I was so close. Come on. Oh, give me the thing. Give me the thing. I got a thing. Oh, salmon. Sweet. Salmon's good and eaten. Nice. Anything else? This side? No. Okay. So... that cloud looks like it has a face. That one. Looks like a little fish in the sky. Yeah, I'll just play it normally. I doubt this game has multiple endings, to be honest. Like, I'd be surprised if this had multiple endings. So I don't think it matters what I do, as long as I just play. Let me get my damn fish. Trout. Nice. Alright, I think that's enough fish for today. Salmon's good and eaten. So's a trout. Doo-doo-doo. Oh. Can I go... The worms will be... Oh, okay, that's where we get the worms. That makes... kind of sense. Hey, bud. Fishing is what my soul needed. Reeling and dealing does the body good. Okay. Can I cook up the fish? Okay, take that as a no. I'll go to bed, I guess, then? Why does it keep making noises? I don't like it. Fuck right off. Is there anything I've missed? I'll take that as a no. Let's go to bed. No, don't like that. Don't, no, Something's gonna be in that window. I know it. You can't trick me, game. Something's gonna be in that window. Like, one of these nights, I'm gonna wake up and there's gonna be a thing in the window. Up and at him. Early fish gets the worm. What? It's a phrase. No, it isn't. Let's read this first. Let's read more. In this version of Sedna's tale, she is a lovely maiden. Pursued by many of the local men, she rejects them all. As her father grows impatient, he meets an unknown hunter. The hunter requests his daughter's hand in marriage. The father accepts the offer, giving him his daughter. Okay. Don't know how this correlates to what we're doing, but... What? What? What am I doing? What? Give me the worm! I don't know what I'm doing! Did I get the worm? I'm kind of spamming at this point. I don't even know if I'm getting anything. I got... Oh! Huh, I did really better than I thought. I thought I got, like, 3. Huh, okay. I'll take it. 9 worms means 9 fish. Theoretically. Alright, come on. I want to aim for this one. I'm gonna actively try. Come on. And... Damn it! So close! Give me my fish! Give me my fish! It's a... catfish. What kind of lake has a catfish and salmon in it? A lake that probably has weird biodiversity, to be honest. Oh, I forgot to press the button. No. I will grab you. My fish. Is that bass okay? It doesn't look okay. Oh, there's a thing all the way over there. Alright, I want to try and get that one. I didn't get it. That took a while. Give me my fish. Nope, my fish. What is it? It's, How the hell is there a koi in here? How does one catch a koi? Like, there was catfish in here. How does a koi live in the same river as the damn catfish? Flounder. Oh, whoops. I misclicked, so apparently it doesn't throw unless I'm close. Good to know, at least. A sardine. Okay. I still have more. Is there any other fish? Oh, there is. There's one over there. Come here, buddy. My fish. My fish. We're eating good tonight, boys. What? What the hell lives in this lake? There's eels, there's catfish, there's koi. I'm expecting to find a shark at this rate. Give it to me. What the... The biodiversity of this lake is insane. Can I fish over here? Or do I just not have any... Oh! Apparently, apparently I can toss it... Wait, what? Where did I click? I didn't even see the shadow there. Did I accidentally get it? This one's hard to get. Get over here. I caught a frog. I was dragging a helpless frog through the water. It was wondering, like, what is going on? How about here? Oh, there is one here, too. Am I gonna, like, be dragging a crab or something next? Come on. A clam. How the hell did the clam fight back is what I want to know. Yeah, like, how did a clam fight back? That's a bird. But I want to preemptively get worms. Is that not a thing I can do? Come on. Alright, what do you have to say? Another successful day of fishing in the bucket. Too bad my uncle's in here to see all those catches. You haven't read the note? It's right next to you. I don't know what... Okay, it still has 3 padlocks. I was worried there was going to be, like, one missing or something. I still don't... Why do I keep hearing noises? Is that the floorboards? Can I go in here? Hey, buddy, I got dibs on that room. Sorry. I still want to have a look. Why can't I have a look? Alright, fine. Day 2. Uh-huh. Wakey, wakey. I guess... I hate that noise! Eek! Oh, it's just you. You scared me. Sorry, I just had the weirdest dream last night. Yeah, sure. Right on. Okay, so last night... I woke up, or rather, I thought I woke up. I couldn't move my body, but I could see... Freaky, right? It gets freakier. My eyes started to adjust to the darkness. My window came into view. I started at it. It felt like I was staring forever, but then... Just as I was about to nod off back to sleep, I saw it. Boo! Haha, did I scare you? Weirdly enough, the boo was the thing that took me out of it. I didn't even get a good look. It looked like some sort of, like, sea witch or something. Alright, enough spooking. Let's get to hooking. I didn't know you were a hooker, my good friend. The father in his haste had just given his child to a bird creature merely disguised as a man. Determined to right his wrong, he went after his daughter, rowing in his kayak. The man approaches the birdman's lair. He barges inside, saves his daughter, and escapes. Shortly soon after, the creature learns its bride's escaped. It takes flight, giving chase to its runaway bride. What? I don't get how... The mythos is so confusing. Alright. Let's just go... Oh, yeah, this... Right, give me the goddamn worms. Got a worm. Got a worm. My worms. You'll be used to catch big-ass fishes. No! You can't escape me, wormies. I think I got like 8. Oh, yeah, hell yeah! I got 10. Nice. I can fish 10 things. Sweet. Let's start with the back one, why not? Can I just say, as someone who's gone fishing, a fish does not bite this quickly. If fish bit, like, fishing lines and hooks and stuff this quickly, there'd be many places that just had no fish left. Come on.
You caught
What? That's an ocean fish. Isn't it? Like, this thing can't live in rivers. Why is it here? I'm so confused. Come on here.
You caught
How did the lobster pull less than the clownfish? And also, how the hell is there a lobster in here? You know what? I've given up. I've accepted the fact that this lake is weird. Alright, let's see what insane thing I catch today. I'm just waiting oh, shit. Oh, wait, I didn't lose a worm for doing that. Oh, okay, that's good. I didn't lose a worm for doing early, which is good to know. Get over here. I'm just waiting. Oh, jellyfish. I'll be honest, I had a slight heart attack because I thought it was, like, the head of a woman or something. Like, I thought the top was, like, a head, and then the tail ends were, like, her hair. Needless to say, I am expecting to pull in someone's head. What the I saw you. I saw you, motherfucker. Oh, no. I'm just waiting for a severed hand to be pulled in. It's gonna happen. Some body part is going to be pulled up. It's gonna then proceed to attack me, and I'm gonna be like... Is that a real fish? I've never heard of that one. I for some reason am doubting the fact that a unicorn fish is real. I could just imagine the guy making this game, they probably just Googled a bunch. It's like... what was that?
You caught
Oh, that was a hand. A hand grabbed my lure. A hand just grabbed my lure. I was just trying to talk there. But what the heck happened? Could you get over here? There we go.
You caught
What? Okay. Why do I feel like the game developers were just like, oh, we need fish for this fishing game. Let's just Google fish. And they just picked the first 5. Like, they just picked random-ass fish they could see. They didn't really care if they matched the location. Granted, there is a little bit of charm behind that. Just pulling out a pufferfish from a lake. It raises a lot of questions.
You caught
That makes more sense. I'm sort of expecting, like, a blue-ringed octopus or something to be next. Just pull it out, and it's just like, why are there so many deadly creatures in here? I still haven't pulled a shark yet, which I'm surprised. Get over here.
You caught
Oh, yay. A tin can. Where else can I fish? Can I fish into land? I kind of want to do that. Can I catch a cloud? No. Can I catch a rock? I can catch a rock. Priorities. Wait, that was underneath. How was I meant to catch that?
You
A sponge. Cool. Oh, I'm not even sure what I clicked, to be honest. That was under the lake! That was under the beach, like, sand dirt thing.
You caught a.
Oh, yay. I think I'm taking every fish that lives in here at this point. Have I read this? No, lake this way. So many goddamn crows. Only one more day of fishing left, my friend. A weekend isn't long enough. I want no need more time. I'm wishing for more fishing. The key fits into one of the padlocks. It only has 2 left. I'll read some more tomorrow. Is there like a padlock I'm... Okay. I'm unsure if yesterday I was meant to catch a... I don't know, maybe I was meant to catch a key yesterday and I just didn't. Hey, are you still up? If not, then get up. How about we do a little night fishing? Why do I get a choice here? Oh, I don't... let's fish. Alright, awesome. Meet me outside when you're ready. I don't like where this is going. Why are we fishing at night? Can I read this? Okay, fine. Great. It weirdly looks very similar to daytime. Worm. Give me my worms. What is this music? Oh, this is not as good as the other ones. Wait, no. What? There was 3! 3 showed up at once! Really? Oh. You gotta be kidding me. I had that. Wow, the lake is at night. It's neat. There's plenty of moonlight. I can kind of see okay. Okay, I can't really see anything, but that's fine. We don't need to see our big catches. Let's fish on, buddy. Great. Okay, there's one here. Let's see what this is. Is this a hand as well? That one took a bit to to... A suckerfish. Did you just hear that? Was that a fish? I'll give, like, 2 guesses and say that wasn't. What is that? There's like a little thing. What did I just catch?
You caught a.
Tin can. Oh, come on! Wasted a worm on that one. Get on my hook. I'm the best hooker known to man. No other person knows his way around a hook unlike me. That's... okay. Ah! It got closer. Let's catch it. I wonder if I'm pissing it off or something. Come on, I want you closer. I want to say hi. And by hi, I mean panic.
You caught up.
Oh. That was just another tin can. Huh? It definitely was moving closer, right? That wasn't just my imagination?
You caught up.
Flounder. Yep, no, it's a thing, it's a thing. I wanna leave, goodbye, I wanna go, bye. I don't wanna be here. If that thing gets closer, I'm gonna... I really don't want that. Get over here. I'm regretting night fishing all the more. I knew this wasn't gonna go well.
You caught up.
What the... It's gone. But that doesn't mean anything necessarily. It could have just moved. Get over here. Give me the fish.
You caught up.
Anglerfish. I don't want to look. I don't want to look. I saw that. I saw that, you fucker. I'm gonna catch you and mount you on my wall.
You caught up.
Clam. I'm feeling a little freaked. Let's head back. It's your idea! Okay. Oh, yay! A key covered in fish guts. Wish I didn't touch it. Yeah, probably didn't want to. I should have ignored it. Why did I keep it? Why did I actively accept the thing that was covered in guts? This place is getting freaky, buddy. Feels like we're not wanted here. But if the fish are biting, I don't be frightened. Oh. Okay. One more key. And we can go downstairs. Where we definitely won't meet something to kill us. Just fuck that noise! Well, it's our last day. I feel like I've lost all of my energy to fish. Something about the lake, it just seems off. But we've got to end the trip on a good note. One last trip to the lake. What do you say, buddy? I want to go home. I want to go home. Why am I here? Yeah, while pursuing its bride, the creature makes a plea. It calls upon a sea spirit for help with her capture. As the pair escapes, their kayak is rocked by huge waves. At his wit's end, the father reacts hastily yet again. He tosses his child overboard into the... Why? Why would you do that? Sedna surfaces, grasping a hold of kayak's side. With a swift motion, her father's axe swings down. The rest of the book is ripped out. Huh? What? None of that story makes any, sense. What? Ah, yay, the leftover fishes. Let's get some worms, people. Give me my worms. Give me the worms. I will get this, I swear to God. Am I just missing all of them? What did I just hit? That's a body. That's a body. It's just an animal skeleton, that's all. Yeah, you're probably... That's not an animal skeleton. I think we've got enough worms. Let's go... That's not a... No. This is the point where you say, fuck it and go home. No. Oh, God We're doomed. We're dead. We're already dead. This is the end of a horror movie. It's gonna roll credits in like 5 seconds. Far one. Sure. Why not? Well, I can think of a few reasons, but yeah. Hell, I'm not even reeling this one. It just kind of wants to come to me. On second thought, maybe I don't want it then. This didn't show up on the recording, but I just got the achievement. Fisher, I barely know her. Gotta throw it back, throw it back, throw it back. What? Wait, there's something tied to the laces. It's a key. That shoe, I feel like, no, it can't be. Let's just finish our fishing. What? What do you know? Is that like my uncle's shoe or something? Or your uncle's shoe? I don't even remember whose uncle this is. Whoever's uncle this is, we blame them. That didn't look like a real fish, but okay. Like, I've seen sunfish before, they don't look like that. The one I caught looked like it came from a cartoon. Or like, got ripped out of Mario. Hey, I found Dory! Get over here. I may be in a life or death scenario, but I still want my fish. Women love me, fish fear me. Get over here. God damn it. Get over here. Found it. I knew there was going to be a shark in here. I called it from the first day. I think that's enough fishing for today. I caught a shark. In a river. A river. What? Okay. I wanted to see the rest of the book is written out. I wonder where it is. Well, we've got all the keys. You go, no. Cellar has been fully unlocked. Damn it. Uh-huh. Okay. What is that? A dirty bed, it looks like it's been used recently. It's the rest of the Inuit mythos. The axe connects with her fingers, chopping them off. With no way to hold on, Sedna floats down into the dark. It is said as her fingers sank, they brought forth life. Her fingers began to transform, growing and contorting. They formed into creatures that are here to this day. Now fishers pay tribute to the sunken goddess in hopes of a bountiful hunt granted by Sedna. It's the start of a tunnel. Wonder where it goes. Bottles are strewn over the place. They all have paper within them. The paper inside is crudely written on it. It says, I only caught a glimpse of you, but I saw a lifetime in that glimpse, a life in which I beg and plead to spend with you. Hear me, Sedna. I've given you everything I hold dear to myself. My wife is no longer a hook in our mouths. My daughter is with you in the blue, majestic depths. Please come back to me. Show me what you require. I'll produce it for you, my goddess. I pray you heed my request. Let me be your one. It's a crude statue made of mud and fish bones. Oh, why did we get a close-up? Why did you give me a close-up? Why did you give me a close-up? Can I look at it again? Oh, okay. Tunnel it is, I guess. Can I not go in the tunnel? Okay. Oh, just you. This place isn't creepy at all. You liar. Let's make like a fisherman and get our basses out of here. You could have said asses, dude. You could have just said it. All right, that's everything. Let's leave quickly. You know, I don't agree with you often, but hey, buddy, I left the no. You absolute asshole. I'm dead. I'm dead. Keys are near the sink. Oh, got the car keys. Now let's get. I saw that. That was in the window. We're dead. We're already dead. Fuck! What? 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 I'm at the lake? Hi, I think I've said no right. Said no right. Ending D. Oh wait, there is multiple endings? Hold up, hold the phone. That means I'm gonna have to go through this again. Oh, okay. Alright. I think I'll leave the video off here, but I will also make a video about me trying to get the other endings. Oh, yeah, that was awesome. I loved every second of that. Can I just say, this game has like 3 reviews on Steam, which, after playing this, I feel like is a little bit like... It's sad, because this is awesome. This is a very good game. So I recommend checking it out. This is awesome. I'm definitely coming back to it, though. But beyond that, I'll see you guys next time. See ya!